Y'all. This is 137. Kind of at that time. I want to see. I'm on one contract right now. See if we go lower down here. And I want to get that 10 o'clock high.
Order filled. Order filled.
We still have liquidity here. We had these left over, but I just feel like we're going to start moving higher. See it break down below that. Just in case. It's going, so it's okay. That's not what I want to see. We'll see. We'll give it a chance to move. God dang. He's down here, so I don't know. You know, got this 2-minute fair value gap down here, closing that consequent encroachment of it. And we got good displacement. We got a sweep of those lows like I was hoping for. I'm not too worried about these. I don't think those are heavy. Like, I think those are going to be a huge factor in liquidity. That's what we're looking for. Just let it play out for a bit, see what we get. We have the 1400 thing here in a little bit. We have this breaker block right here. It's kind of like what I'm using as my support. Okay, that's a good candle closure right there. Here's a net. Perfect for these type of things. Just in case. Put one there just to, yeah, I'll put one up here. Thing I don't like about this is we are like, yeah, I'll put one up here just in case. Just because it is a pretty, this. Okay, put it up, stop like right there. To lowering risk down. Oh shit, I don't know if I'm gonna stay in this trade. We need to get some candles. Like we need to body up above here. If we could do that, I think we're doing okay. Just in case it just wants to fucking dabble around in that area. We're in the macro. See how we're holding this 2 minute here. We're at a huge discount right now. So it just seems like it would make sense to me that we would try and take some buys out of liquidity. Okay. Take one off the table there just because this is kind of a, it is kind of like a risky trade. We're gonna move stops up here. And this is where I want to see breakaway gaps starting being formed. I mean, we're at the macro.
Order filled.
Break even right there. risk it because I don't want it to stop me out. Uh, let's see if we get a fair value gap here. If we get a fair value gap here, then that'll be good. Okay. Now I can go break even. Sell one right there too. Because it would be right at the consequent encroachment of that 5 minute that we would reject.
Order filled.
Okay. And we have this time up here. I just feel like we might go up there. So I'm gonna let it run. See if we want to get through this. If we can candle above this line right here, I'll feel pretty confident that we're gonna get through that 5 minute. Otherwise, then this just might be a sell model, like a greater sell model to the downside. But we've already sold so much, and I think we're just in consolidation, or we were in consolidation. And at some point, we're gonna start wanting to move higher. I want to see this remain as breakaway gap, so I'll put that like a consequent encroachment. See if we get a candle above here. That's a good sign. So this high right here is 10 o'clock, like on the dot almost, like literally 10 o'clock high. And I just feel pretty confident we're going to get up there. Next order of business is really just seeing if we got through the consequent encroachment of this 5 minute fair value gap. I want to see if we can get through this one. If we can reverse this fair value gap, that'd be what you want to see. Got a 5 minute right here. 2 minutes till it close. Less than a minute. Either way, it looks like we're going to close pretty high up on this fair value gap, so it gives me confidence that the next candle is going to inverse it, as long as we're closing above here. Ten seconds. So it's a good candle closure. We're at 15 minutes as well right here. It closed above consequent encroachment of that 15-minute fair value gap. So we're looking pretty good. And we've already tried to go up here, right? And we failed. We took liquidity and then we sold off over here. I think, to me, it makes sense that this would be the time that we're trying to. So right here, we have a 5-minute fair value gap, right? We got this 1 minute right here. We want to see kind of how we're closing with this guy. Closing above. Let's see if we can inverse this guy. Take some of this off because I don't want to dilute the charts too much. We don't need all this. We want to see. Like, if anything, we want to see like this area, this little 2-minute area. We don't want to see it really break that, honestly. Really, the next order of business is breaking this 1 minute. That 2-minute inverse, I'll bring my stop loss right there. Four oh four. gotta see a break this 1 minute. That's what we're looking for. It makes sense that we're gonna get some resistance coming through here. Did have that 5 minute. We want to see a fair value gap out of here. That's what we want to see. Just happens. Oh, dude, my internet has been dog shit all day. What the fuck? You gotta be shitting me. Okay. My internet went out. So that's some bullshit. The fuck? Check back up. Okay. We are taking a long time to inverse this guy. He's really struggling, so I don't like that too much. So the 5 minute. It looks good. This looks like we're creating kind of like a good model here. Yeah, that's a 10 o'clock high. Let's give it some time. Got some sell side right here. That would be minor sell side, minor buy side. See, we're holding in this area pretty good, so I'm not super concerned at this moment. We have this 3 minute fair value gap that we are going to definitely mark out. We want to see it continue to use that as support. And then we got this 15 minute. We got another minute. If we can get a good displacement out of there, man, like that would be, that's what we want. I don't want to see it breaking down to that 3 minute, honestly. Like I'm okay with it using it as support and going down there and breaking out, like taking out this sell side right here. But once it does this, I want it to move higher, which that is not like what you want to see right there. Definitely keeping my stop loss where it's at, not moving it because that's not. There's a 2 minute inverse and there's that 3 minute fair value gap. It shouldn't go lower than that if it's gonna continue in that direction. So looks like I'm gonna get stopped that on that. I mean, it took out sell side right here, so you'd want to see displacement, but it looks like it's just gonna stop me out. Let's see. Stopped out. Looks like it's going down further. We have these right here. So whatever. 118.
Order filled.
Oh wow. At this point, I think I'd be more interested in sells just because we came up here, we rejected this 5 minute fair value gap. We just placed down. We have change in the straight. We took out liquidity here. We took it here, and to me, it looks like we might want to just go down here. But there's all of this up here, so who knows?